You're watching CKWS News at Noon.
Good to see you on this Monday afternoon. Lots of sunshine, but it is a chilly day. Temperatures well below average. Kingston getting to just 0, maybe +1 today. We should be at +5 for a high, the average high for this time of year. But lots of sunshine. Overnight will drop down to -4 as far as sunshine is concerned tomorrow. Not a whole lot of it. In fact, we're dealing with some mixed precipitation. Clouds start to roll in this evening. Now with those clouds, we are dealing with some rain and flurries. We're right in the sort of middle there of this band of snow to the north of us, rain to the south of us. So we could see a rain-snow mix, maybe around 10 millimeters worth in Smiths Falls, areas to the north of us, parts of the upper Ottawa Valley, 5 centimeters of snow tomorrow. And then temperatures will be on the rise, so I don't think it will be sticking around very long. Belleville, 2 degrees today. It's a chilly one, well below average. Enjoy a mostly clear sky, though. 4 degrees tomorrow with that rain-snow mix, 15 millimeters of rain, and then 6 on Wednesday, a light rain. So if we have any flurry activity tomorrow, it'll be washed away by Wednesday and certainly melted away. Brockville, just 1 degree today. Lots of sunshine. 4 tomorrow, 5 to 10 millimeters of rain, and then 4 on Wednesday, a light rain, not nearly as much as what you'll see tomorrow. For Smiths Falls, it's a chilly one for you, only getting to 0, but a mostly clear sky. 2 degrees for tomorrow, maybe 1 to 3 millimeters of rain mixed in with around 5 centimeters of snow, and yeah, only getting to 2 degrees, not much better Wednesday, +3. But a light rain. Now for Kingston, we'll get to 1 degree today, late in the evening, a rain-snow mix, and it carries on into tomorrow, up to 15 millimeters worth and a high of 4 degrees. 6 on Wednesday, a light rain, and then some sunshine again by Thursday as we climb to 7 degrees, a couple of degrees above average. And by the end of the week, at this point, a mix of sun and clouds and a chilly high of just +1.
Is brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. For brakes, tires, oil, everything. Midas will keep you safe and on the road in all weather conditions.
Yes, clear and cool conditions for your weekend. It was pretty decent, and what a lovely night it was for the Santa Parade here in Kingston in the evening, Saturday night. Weather was perfect, and the DBIA are saying could be record attendance at the parade. From what we could see, it was a great turnout, and unfortunately, we're going to have to give up these clear conditions for a Colorado low moving through. Mixed precipitation developing tomorrow. It's just partly cloudy tonight and not very windy, but that wind going to pick up. It's going to become more of a southeasterly, 30 to 50 K in the Belleville-Kingston area, maybe 20 to 40 through Brockville and Smiths Falls. And we could see 2 to 4 centimeters of mixed precipitation through the Belleville-Kingston area and through Brockville and Smiths Falls, where it may be a little more white than wet. You're going to see maybe 5 to 10 centimeters. Yeah. And most of that's going to take place late in the day. It'll be fairly calm in the morning, but everything will build through the afternoon. Chance of mixed precipitation on Wednesday, lingering, but it may be mixed to start, but temperatures are going to rise through Wednesday. Seasonal or just above that, 6, maybe 7 degrees in some places, and so it will turn to showers. I don't think any of this is going to stick around. If you're getting up to 6 or 7 degrees with showers, you're probably not going to see it last very long. Cloudy and seasonal conditions Thursday, and then cloudy and cold conditions Friday and Saturday, hoping for a wee bit of sun on Sunday, but still cold. Daytime highs over the weekend hovering around the freezing mark, and that's just where we were today. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and a 1 in Brockville. 0 in Smiths Falls, -1 in Ottawa, sort of making up for that +1 in Brockville, I guess. But yeah, everybody kind of around that freezing mark at best today for daytime highs. We're sitting at a -2 right now. Northeast winds barely budging at 7 kilometers per hour, but just enough to keep siphoning in that cool air and keeping those temperatures down. We'll probably get down to a -4 tonight in Kingston. No precipitation today, but those wondering how much rain we did receive before the weekend rolled in, that was 12 millimeters. I think we were seeing 9 on Friday so far. It wasn't finished with us yet, and we did see, yeah, some more shower activity and even less daylight now. Yeah, it's a dark one out there now. High pressure, which brought you the cool and clear conditions, is taking a backseat to this monster here. It's a Colorado low, fairly powerful. Communities close to Lake Ontario, probably be seeing rain, risk of freezing rain with some snow and ice pellets. The minute, as soon as you get away from the lake and temperatures are a little cooler, and this flow in the prairies moving across Quebec is what's really chilling everything, and as that sort of moist, wet system moves through, it starts to chill and you start to see that snow. This is a recipe that we had on this day in 2014. There was record-breaking snowfalls across southern and eastern Ontario, and in fact record-breaking south of the border in the States. Buffalo just grinded to a halt. They had to get extra crews in to remove snow. I don't think that we're going to see anything like that, but the afternoon, evening commutes could be pretty dicey as a result of this. And like I said, closer to the lake, it's going to be more of a rain, freezing rain with some snow and ice pellets. Does look as if that flow from the west will continue to move in after that, keeping temperatures down for a while. You may find them come back up to seasonal during the storm, but once it starts to clear following that, you're going to get into some cooler temperatures over the weekend. So there's your start to the day, not bad, and then boom. Yeah, through the afternoon, and we're right on that freezing line, or snow line as they call it. And so it's, you know, this is a really hard time of the year to predict whether you're going to get the wet or the white. We're definitely going to see a mix throughout the region, and as you can see, as it progresses through your Wednesday, it's a chance of showers, and the probability wanes. By late Wednesday, it ends completely. We start to see some partial clearing, hoping for some sunshine on Thursday. Belleville, a high 4 tomorrow. You could see 2 to 4 centimeters of snow and ice pellets. It starts in the afternoon and continues through your evening. Wednesday, a high 8, and still an 80% chance. Could be a mix in the morning, but as it rises to that 8, it showers. Thursday, a high 6 with a mix of sun and cloud. Brockville, you'll hit 4 for a high tomorrow. 5 to 10 centimeters of snow and ice pellets. You're not going to get started until the middle of the afternoon, and a lot of that white stuff will be through the evening. Wednesday, a high 6 and an 80% chance of showers by the afternoon, but it may be mixed in the morning. Thursday, a high 6 with a mix of sun and cloud. And in Smiths Falls, up to 2 degrees tomorrow. You can see 5 to 10 centimeters of snow and ice pellets, but it does not start until your mid to late afternoon. It's your evening that's the messiest. Wednesday, a high 4, an 80% chance of mixed precipitation, but as it rises to 4, the showers take over. Thursday, a high 4, mostly cloudy. And Kingston, your forecast, rising to 3 tomorrow. We do see that chance of mixed precipitation developing through the afternoon. Closer to the lake, it's more of a rain and risk of freezing rain. Wednesday, a high 7, rising to 7, so it'll probably turn to just showers, ending by the evening. Thursday, it's a mix of sun and cloud, back up to a 7 again, and then cooling and clearing for the weekend. Friday, only -2, mix of sun and cloud. 0's your high for Saturday, and mainly sunny. And as temperatures bump up to highs of 4 over Sunday and Monday, the chance of mixed precipitation returns. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
This is from Don Woodowis of Stella, Ontario. A shot on Amherst Island, a short-eared owl hunting along the fence line. That's where they like to perch on the posts and watch for the voles, the moles, the mice, and all that sort of stuff. Nice shot.
It is.
Nice action shot. Thanks for sharing, Don. If you've got pictures to share with us, send them to us at submissions@ckwstv.com. I got one wing today.
Yes, I was going to say, you don't have both wings, just the one today.
Just the one. Okay.
So, Bill, yeah, we're another Colorado low, but and I guess some people are going to get more snow and some people are going to get more rain tomorrow, right?
Yeah, the
tomorrow
closer you're out of the lake, the more wet it is. The further away, the more white it is. And I think everybody's going to get a taste of everything. But those away from the lake will get more accumulation of the snow and ice pellets.
Okay. A lot of people thinking about those, getting those snow tires on, the winter tires.
I got mine
It's
on
that time,
already.
right?
Last weekend I did it.
And if you wait too long, you're going to be waiting a little longer to make an appointment. Okay. So, Bill, we'll get you back here with the 10-day outlook and find out where we're going from here a little bit later.
All right.
Real thriller in the Grey Cup championship game the other day. Bill is joining us now with the 10-day outlook, which will take us right to the end of November.
Yes, it will. And up and down with those temperatures, a little cooler overall, too. 3 at best tomorrow. We've got that Colorado low coming in, 2 to 4 centimeters of snow and ice pellets for the afternoon and early evening in Kingston and Belleville, but could be a little later in the day through Brockville and Smiths Falls, and more accumulation, 5 to 10 centimeters. Wednesday and Thursday, highs of 7. We still see that lingering probability of precipitation mixed in the morning Wednesday, turning to showers as temperatures rise. And then it's just a mix of sun and cloud for Thursday. Friday, much cooler, only a daytime high of -2. Yes, that's a high. A mix of sun and cloud, mainly sunny Saturday with a high 0. Then we're back up to 4 Celsius for Sunday and Monday as we see the chance of mixed precipitation return to the region. Tuesday, that probability starts to drop a little bit. Wednesday, still 40% with highs of 1 over Wednesday and Thursday of next week. Still a 60% chance of mixed precipitation and risk of freezing rain on Thursday.
Oh, joy.
Yes.
Well, you know what? It's that time of year, right? I mean, you can delay it, but you can't deny it that winter is coming.
Yes,
and
it is. I would like it to either be the wet or the white. I don't like that stuff in between.
Yeah.
It's so treacherous on the roads.
It is, and unpredictable depending on where you are, right? We'll be right back.
Your long-range weather is... You're watching CKWS News at 11.
Enjoying those clear but cool conditions over the weekend. It was very nice after those showers we had on Friday. It was 12 centimeters, by the way, the grand total of that wet weather leading up to the weekend. We are looking at that high pressure taking a backseat to a pretty powerful Colorado low. As it moves through, it brings a wintry mix. May not start until about noon through the Belleville-Kingston area. Later in the afternoon through Brockville and Smiths Falls. You might actually get a tiny bit of sunshine first thing in the morning, but that cloud will increase, and we're looking at a bit of a mess as it tracks through the region. There's a great risk of freezing rain. We're going to be right along that sort of freezing line, or the snow line they call it, where you have snow to the north and the wet weather to the south, and that's why we're going to see a great mix as a result of this. As it heads off to the coast and tracks northeast, it'll probably be a bit of a mess as well for Atlantic Canada. I think a lot of this is likely to turn to snow as it continues to travel north. Anything in the warm sector, rainfall in the warm sector, probably over the sea, not really on land. We are looking at cool air to move in behind it, and we hope to see a little bit of sunshine beyond that too, but temperatures are going to drop as a result. Belleville, high 4 tomorrow, and you've got showers mixed with snow and ice pellets. You could see about 5 centimeters, the bulk of the solid stuff through the evening, so you may just see showers through the afternoon. Wednesday, a high of 8, and it looks like a good 80% chance of showers. Temperatures will rise, and 6 for a high on Thursday, which is seasonal, and you're looking at a mix of sun and cloud. We stopped that precipitation. Brockville up to 4 degrees tomorrow. Snow and ice pellets mixed with showers, and you are looking at a risk of freezing rain. Highs of 6 Wednesday as showers continue, and Thursday a high 6 and a mix of sun and cloud. And Smiths Falls, you could see 5 to 10 centimeters of snow and ice pellets, but it doesn't come your way until late in the day. Wednesday a high 4, 80% chance of mixed precipitation, a high 4 on Thursday, and mostly cloudy. Kingston, a high 4 tomorrow, 2 to 4 centimeters of snow and ice pellets through the afternoon and evening. Wednesday, it's a high 7, chance of showers. Up to 7 again Thursday with a mix of sun and cloud. More of the same over Thursday or Friday and Saturday as it cools down. Back up to 4 Celsius Sunday and Monday as the chance of mixed precipitation returns.